Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series guys and you're trying to find guys where your oil filter is located, stay with us and we will explain where you can find it guys. Now, quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop guys, including this one here, we make more than 200 videos guys. And specifically on BMW 3 and 4 series, probably we'll have even close to 400 videos guys. Why we take our cars completely apart? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing these free videos guys. If you need to buy oil filter, or any tools, parts for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. We share it for your convenience and you can see where we get everything from for our cars. So this is a 2013 328 that we'll demonstrate on, but exactly the same will be on 320, 328, 420, 428, and it may be helpful guys on the other ones such as 330, 335, 316, 318, quite a few BMWs guys. Now, if you want to see how to change the oil, engine oil on that guys, we have the complete video guide that is very long and very detailed, what needs to be done with resetting the service and all that on our main channel guys. Okay, we just made a video on our main channel, how to repair guys. It will be published very soon, so check it out guys. That's where we have the mechanical videos, and we even finished doing a timing chain replacement on one of those BMWs. That timing chain failed at 87,000 miles. We have the complete video guide as well on our channel, so how to repair guys, check it out. If you want to see any electrical videos, how to diagnose engine light, airbag light, transmission light guys on BMW, all that will be on our third channel, Electrical Car Repair Life, pretty much electrical videos there. Now, once you guys open the hood, okay, where is your oil filter? Oil filter guys, okay, you can see is located right here under this cover. This is where the oil filter is guys. You will need to remove the cover, make sure that you do not start the engine if it's removed, make sure that you don't burn yourself, always wear eye protection gloves guys, and if the engine ran, okay, the oil will be hot so it can burn you. This is the oil cooler here, it actually cools the engine oil. And that filter guys, okay, you can remove it with big pliers, but it's not recommended. There is a special socket. We'll list the link in the description of the video below, and when you install it you need to follow the torque specs with the torque wrench. We'll have the link as well, otherwise you can damage it and break it guys. So all that will be in the description of the video below. And again, if you need to do an oil change, we'll have that on the channel. If you guys want to see any specific videos on that BMW 3 and 4 series, just let us know, leave a comment below guys, so that way we can make a video for your problem sometime. That's how we get the idea of making a certain video, because many of you ask us how to do things. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.